Welcome to the Football Journal, your ultimate destination for all things football. Join us for exciting match highlights, in-depth analysis, and expert opinions on the beautiful game. From the Premier League to La Liga, Champions League to World Cup, we've got you covered. Subscribe now and turn on notifications to stay updated on the latest football news, updates, and videos. Leo Messi's letter to Di Maria. I hope you enjoy this evening a lot with your family and loved ones. We've said everything we needed to say, we shared so much, and who would have thought it would end this way? We'll miss you a lot. See you soon. After 17 years representing Uruguay, Luis Suarez plays his final international match today. Andre Gomez will sign a 2-year contract back at Lille. Why did you move to Saudi? Steven Bergwijn, course, I'll improve gigantic financial-wise. I won't lie, but sportive-wise, it's also interesting. I will play with Benzema, Kant, Fabinho, Diaby, Pereira. I'm excited to become their teammate. Christian Medina will join Fenerbahce for around 12 million euros. He will stay at Boca until January. He will sign a 5-year contract. Memphis Depay will play for Corinthians. His contract will be for 2 years. He just needs to undergo a medical and then sign the deal. Arsenal considered a late transfer window move for Brentford forward Brian Mbeumo. Kevin De Bruyne criticizes UEFA and FIFA for the growing calendar. I think the problem will come when we finish the Club World Cup. We know there will only be 3 weeks between the Club World Cup final and the first day of the Premier League. You have 3 weeks to take a vacation and prepare to play another 80 games. We can try to say something. No solution has been found. They don't care. It's money that talks. Frank Kessie, I'm not afraid of running a lot. Sometimes my teammates ask, how do you do it? I reply that it's natural for me. I'm earning way too much money to not sweat on the pitch. In Africa, there are people who walk 20 miles every morning just for a piece of bread. Crystal Palace were so convinced Eberechi would leave this summer that they lined up a deal for Johan Bakayoko as his replacement. Former Brentford player and son of the legendary David Beckham, Romeo is retired from professional football at the age of 22. He has decided to end his football career and pursue a career in fashion, having already signed a contract with a modeling agency. Flamengo have made contact with Anthony Martial, who is a free agent after leaving Manchester United. Manchester City's Rodri is wanted by Real Madrid, who plan to make a move for the midfielder at the end of the season. 17 football matches in Germany are under suspicion of manipulation. The games in question are from the 3 league and regional leagues. There is said to have been sometimes noticeably wrong decisions by the referees or serious blunders by goalkeepers and defensive players. As of now, there is just an ongoing investigation by the German FA regarding this all. Liverpool and Newcastle United are likely to have to pay a release clause of above his current £70 million asking fee to sign Mark Guehi if he signs a new Crystal Palace deal. Manchester United and Newcastle remain in the mix to sign free agent Adrien Rabiot, despite an offer from Galatasaray being on the table. Sadio Mane's career in Saudi Arabia is part of the reason why former teammate Mo Salah is reluctant to make the same move. Kobbie Mainoo has the best dribble success rate 83.3 among all players in Europe's top 5 leagues this season. Rodrigo believes that his exclusion from the Ballon d'Or top 30 is an injustice. Cristiano Ronaldo, Portugal winning Euros is equivalent to winning a World Cup. Paulo Dybala, one of the reasons I didn't go to Saudi Arabia is to be able to play in the Argentine national team. I feel young, and I feel good physically. I want to keep fighting to be there. Ronald Koeman, it's logical that Steven Bergwijn reacts to my words on his move to Saudi, but I stick to my words. Going to Saudi at 16. It's not a transfer based on the sporting aspect. Stuttgart were the secret club interested in signing Argentinian center-back Tomás Palacios. Inter have been able to get the deal done for fee in excess of €6 million for Palacios, despite Stuttgart being there until the end. Diego Simeone called Sofiane Amrabat several times during the final week of August. but Atletico Madrid were not including any buy obligation clause in loan deal. Fiorentina only accepted Fenerbahce bid, Sofiane accepted as he also spoke to Jose Mourinho. Bernardo Silva, the schedule is completely crazy. We've just received the news that we only have 1 day off for the English League Cup game. We will probably play every 3 days for months. It's been absolutely absurd. In the Champions League, if you don't qualify for the round of 16, you still have to play 2 more games. It's true that the squads are bigger, but I'm not going to say that it's easy. It hasn't been easy. I spend very little time with my family and friends. The amount of games we're subjected to is absolutely absurd, said via record. Bergwijn, I don't even want to play for Ronald Koeman anymore. I won't play for someone who portray me like he has done in the media. He could have called me, hear my side of the story. How can he say such things without talking to me? Real Madrid expect Eder Militao to miss Real Sociedad game due to muscle injury. He's already left Brazil camp and new tests will follow to understand how long he will be out. Angel Di Maria. Now, are we just another fan cheering the team on from up there? Out to all the Copa Americas and World Cups. We will surely keep going this way because this team has a lot of guts. Cristiano, 900 goals seems like any other milestone. But only I know how hard it is to work every day to score your 900th goal. It's a unique milestone in my career. I don't break records. They haunt me. Thanks for watching.